Your laptop is fast, but Chrome is secretly making it slow. And most people don't even know that this one setting is the reason. Today, I'll show you one Chrome setting that can make your laptop faster. And inside Chrome, there is a hidden option called hardware acceleration, or we call it graphics acceleration. So it decides whether your CPU or your graphics card handles the videos, websites, and animations. So when you turn on the hardware acceleration, I'll show you some things. Like if you have a laptop with NVIDIA or AMD GPU, this should be turned on. Even if you have a i5, i7, Ryzen 5 plus laptop, you should turn it on. An old laptop like i3, 4GB to 6GB RAM, turn off. If Chrome lags, flicker, crashes, then turn off. And if battery drain fast, then turn it off. So we need to open the Google. At the top right corner, we will go to settings. And once you click on the settings, you will see a window like this. And here we will go to system. And this is called use hardware acceleration is when available. So one setting can change the laptop Chrome experience completely. Not everyone should keep it on, not everyone should turn it off. But now you know exactly what is best for your laptop. Alright, so if you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.